It's a solar system where they trace the dead bodies.
Take 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Arirain and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. In today's video we're gonna continue wrecking this journal. Without any other words, let's start. The first one for today will be trace the things in your handbag on this page. It's a short version of the task. I have my school bag here and let's see what we can find in there and then trace it. You know the crime scenes where they trace the dead bodies? This is what it reminds me of. How about we add some dynamic into this video? Lift the book without using your hands. That's gonna be interesting.
Okay, I found some free space in my room and I also turned the camera. Sorry for that, but now we can have some fun.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Take 2.
Later that same evening.
That was enough dynamic, I guess. Let's get back to drawing. Draw some circles. I don't wanna draw just circles, I want to make it beautiful. So let's see what I can come up with. Okay, I'm done drawing and this is what I have. It's not just simple boring crisis, it's a solar system. Now let's get to the next one. Fill this page with sticky tape, create some pattern. Ta-da! It's supposed to be a rose. I really hope you can see that it is a rose. I added some line art and watercolor just a little bit, and this is the end result. And the last one for today, use this book as a part of your outfit. I actually have an idea.
I did not plan this.
Okay, this is what we got so far. I think it's not wrecked enough, but we'll get there eventually. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more art related content like this. Also, feel free to join me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Create and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!